guys, welcome back to another product video for this levitating light bulb. This is a very cool accent piece for any house or room. We had this for 2 months now and it's still working great. So let me just show you what the setup brings. So it brings your actual light bulb, it's right here. It's a heavy light bulb. It has a stand and then it has the plug for the stand. So the way it works, so you have to set it up in the middle, and then once you set it up, you let it go, and it floats in the middle of the pad. Very cool piece. It's a nice conversation piece for any house or room. And if you want to turn it off, here's the button, and that turns off the light. You want to turn on the light, you press the button again. You can even move it around, and it pretty much floats and it moves around in the middle of the air. Very cool. Overall, this is a cool levitating light bulb, night light. I like how it floats by itself and you can turn it on and off with the touch of the button. And the base is a very nice